Osmo Mobile 6 ActiveTrack 5.0. Use ActiveTrack to keep your subject in the center of the frame and capture footage on the move. There are 3 ways to enable ActiveTrack. 1. Press the trigger once. The gimbal will automatically follow the subject with distinguishable features in the center of the frame. 2. Frame the subject with the green box on the screen to select the subject to follow. 3. In the app, tap the gesture control icon, enable gesture control, and tap follow and shoot. Perform a palm or V gesture when facing the camera frame. DJI Mimo will automatically identify and track the subject and start shooting after the countdown. In ActiveTrack mode, you can also control the joystick to select other subjects that are not in the center and compose flexibly.